If you have overripe plantains or banana and you're thinking, what should I do with this? This is just ready to go in the bin. I'm going to stop you right there. You can make something very delicious out of it. And this is exactly what we're going to make out of our overripe plantains today. It's called Plantain Fritters. Very easy to make, and your children will love it. Your friends will definitely thank you for it as well. So we're going to start off by peeling off the skin, and after that I'm going to add some semolina. If today is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Kayi and I share quick, easy and very yummy recipes on this channel. Thanks to the members of this channel that support me on monthly basis. I truly appreciate all of you. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of semolina and mash everything up nicely. You can also use a blender if you prefer. This is exactly how it's supposed to look, and I'm happy with the consistency. I'm going to heat up the oil and fry it. If you are new here and you are enjoying the recipe, I have plenty of them on this channel. Check them out and you're definitely going to love it here. Don't forget as well to subscribe so you can be notified the next time I drop a new video. After 4 to 5 minutes, you can see it's frying perfectly well. And once you obtain this beautiful golden color, you know your plantain fritters are ready. And let them rest on the kitchen towel. You want the kitchen towel to soak any excess oil. And you can see how beautiful they are. I'm going in now with the second batches. And don't worry, if you don't have plantains, you can still use your overripe banana. Instead of throwing them in the bin, use them to make this delicious recipe. And after 4 to 5 minutes, it's time to check it. It's frying perfectly well. Flip the other side and let it fry for another 4 to 5 minutes. And that will be our plantain fritters all ready. Kindly drop a like if you are enjoying the recipe so YouTube can recommend it to others as well. Thanks for doing that and keep watching. You can also check me out on TikTok and Instagram at Kayi's Cuisine. Already now, I'm going to pair them with chili tomato sauce. So if you want to know how I make this one, check out the next video that I'm going to link in the description box. And there you have it. Our banana fritters are ready. And this is the time I always invite you guys to join me. In Togo, we say midunulo, meaning you are invited to join me if it's your first time hearing this. So wash your hands and let's dive right into it. And feel free to use a fork if that's what you prefer. In Togo, we call this recipe kanklo, but we use banana most of the time to make it. If you have a similar recipe in your country, I would love for you to drop the name in the comment section and tell me as well what you think about today's recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Au revoir.